Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your March love and work forecast for Taurus. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know a Taurus, you can cross watch it for them. Also, friends, make sure to subscribe and subscribe our channel, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. And friends, join us to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. This is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And if you want to watch the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings, please check our other site. The link is in the timestamps below or the comment section. Let's see Taurus theme of the month. Taurus theme of the month for Taurus. Ooh, wow, 10 of swords. So some endings are definitely, let me pick that card. So the card that flew out was Lovers and the 10 of Swords. Wow, Taurus, yeah, there is going to be a new start, a relief coming your way. Some of you are feeling very burdened right now. February was very tough for you. Lot of work, lot of schedules, deadlines, lot of pressures, lot of, like, things ending, things reaching to a climax. You are like, what's happening, where are things heading? I do feel that some relief is coming for you in March will bring you peace, relief, end of worries, end of difficulties, and love your way. Yes, love is coming your way. Relationships are important, friendships are important, and choices are coming. Some decisions are coming in the month of March. You may have to choose, between one person or another, or should you stay at a place or change your house, relocate, all these things. There is a choice coming. How the month of March will be for Taurus. Yeah, karma, yeah, this is something destined. This is a very powerful month for you, Taurus. You have to be careful. Some things which are ending or moving out of your life are destined. They are supposed to go out, because this is the natural change. This change, is destined for you, and something better will take its place. If something is ending, you will have a choice to end something and start something new, or to relocate, to move out, to choose a new person. And why? Because yes, this is your destiny. You can have either or that. And I feel if something has ended in your life in February, like a job or a relationship or even a friendship, don't worry. Don't worry, because something better is coming your way. I also feel February might have tested your patience. Like, your patience is being tested. You are like on the. But you were tested. You were tested really, really badly in March, in February. But in March, you're gonna find the reward of that patience you have shown. You will find the reward. You will find the success. Yeah, it's a very destined month. It is a destined month. You should be a little careful, because in making the right decisions, also don't try to be angry with somebody, or because it will come back. This is like the boomerang of life. This month is like whatever you give, it comes back to you multiplied. So if you give love, love will come. If you give thorns, thorns will come. So that's how it is, Taurus. Who you are the director of your life. So what are you gonna choose? Choose well, because it's gonna multiply. That's how the energy. It's like you're manifesting, so it's gonna manifest back more strongly for you. So who is coming for Taurus in March? Who is coming for Taurus in love for March? Ooh, Seven of Pentacles, Three of Wands. Yeah, I think someone is waiting and watching you. Someone is taking a wait and watch approach. Someone is living in some another city or country. They are at a long distance from you. That person is coming towards you in March. I feel this person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, like you. I do feel there is a relationship which is stuck right now, where there is no movement, may have even faced an ending, or some, like no contact, ghosting, blocking. I think that person hasn't moved on. They are still waiting and watching you. They want to make a move towards you, they want to meet you. Ace of Cups, yes, a new start. A powerful new start is coming for you, Taurus. I do feel that for some of you, if you have ended a connection in February, someone new is coming. Someone new is coming, and it is destined for you. It is destined for you. I feel another thing also, that if someone left you, ghosted you, and choose somebody else, like they got married, they're gonna come and apologize. They're gonna tell you they still miss you, and you're gonna feel like, yes, finally justice has happened. This finally something good has happened. Who is coming towards Taurus? Oh my god, two aces you have, Ace of Pentacles. So, I do see some marriage proposals coming your way. I do see some grounded relationship, a relationship you can count on, a relationship, a person you can rely on. I do feel they are very loving, they are also very kind. This feels like someone you may meet at your work, someone new. I also feel like. And this definitely 50-50. This feels like, for most of you, if you have ended a connection, this is a new person. For others, this is a renewal. This person is waiting. They have done you wrong, but they're gonna come, they're gonna cry, they're gonna apologize, and that will lead to a good start in this connection, a powerful victory. Look at that, King of Pentacles. Yeah, you are definitely, all eyes are on you, Taurus. All eyes are on you. You are the director. You are this powerful, you're this powerful, I don't know how to say. You are this honey that's attracting everybody. You're the honey of everybody's life. I feel you are the director. You can choose. You will have choice to choose this past person or this new person. You are the director of your life. What are you gonna choose? Choose well. So what will happen? What will happen? In your love life, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, someone is coming. Someone who is a perfect match for you. Look at that. A perfect match. Couple. So someone is coming towards you which are a perfect match for you. They are exactly like you are. Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Yeah, but I feel like this person is watching you, but they are not telling you. They miss you. They are a bit arrogant. They are playing it cool. The moon. Yeah, this person thinks a lot about you. This person also has a lot of mood swings. So in March, you may find that this person is like one day very hot and steamy about you. The next day, they are like, hey, I'm busy. I don't know who you are. So this person has a lot of mood swings. I also feel you find this person very mysterious. That's coming your way. Your love life will be very emotional, long night talks. But also some confusions are there. Like, you don't know should you trust them or not. This person has mood swings which will affect your love life. Two of Wands. But I feel this person will try to behave maturely with you, Taurus. They are trying, really trying. Queen of Cups. Yeah, you will have a choice of lovers. Ooh, director of your life. Which one you gonna choose? It's your choice. You direct your love story. So I feel this is like, you are writing your own you have writing your own book right now, you are building your own movie right now, and you have the choice. You can choose this person, you can choose this person. And someone is a bit moody here. Someone is a bit moody. That will affect your love life. Two of Swords. Yeah, you will have a confusion. You will not know whether to accept the past person, to say yes to them. Even if you say yes, there are confusions, like this person is a bit moody. Or this person is like they are not sure, even though they are completely head over heels in love with you. The Page of Pentacles. I do see a lot of people are affecting. Friends, family are also affecting your love life this month. And look at that Chariot. Yes, travel. Your love life is gonna be like, whoo, flying jets. Yes, you are gonna fly. Quick developments, quick things happening. Meeting, going on dates, meeting. If they are in long distance, they wanna meet you. You wanna meet them. So a lot is happening. Quick. But you have choices. You are the director. Which one will you choose? Which one will you cast in your love life? So let's see some advice for you, Taurus. Okay. Throat chakra in reverse. Yeah, I think someone, you love somebody, you are not telling them, Taurus. They love you, they are not telling you. So communications are very important. And also destiny, Wheel of Fortune. Someone, yes, someone destined is coming for you. Whatever. And again, here is also karma, destiny. So something fated. This is you have to save this reading, friends. You're gonna watch again. It will make you complete sense after March. You will understand exactly what is happening and why it happened. Right now you may find it like, oh, where is this person? Like, you will feel that way. Most of you are like, oh, this where is this? You come back and check, you will find they are accurate, super accurate. So something destined is happening. Maybe you will end a connection, move into a new one, or maybe a connection will move into a new phase of understanding, of maturity, of Communications. I feel there is a relationship where communications are very bad. Yeah, ego issues, power hassles. Sometimes your person behaves very power, with ego. Sometimes they behave with love. So you both have to learn to balance this thing. Memories of love. Yeah, soulmate is coming. You are missing them. They are missing you. So you both miss each other. But you also have to be a little intelligent, Taurus. Which one will you pick, the new or the old? So let's see some work messages for your March. Crown chakra. Wow, you are learning a lot this month. Seriously, friends, you are learning a lot in your work, in your career. You may also have some decisions in your work regarding, moving on, or, starting, like, should you renovate, should you not, should you buy a house, should you not, should you change a job, should you not, should you shift or relocate for a work, or should you not. So there is a lot of this thing, learning, accessing knowledge, becoming, sharpening your skills. Also, family is very important at your career. You may find that, family is saying one thing, your career is going in another direction, but your family is saying one thing. So some confusions in your career regarding family are there. Triumphant success. Yeah, but you're gonna be successful, friends. You're gonna find, I think some of you are waiting for a breakthrough or results of some kind or news of some kind. It will be a positive news. You're gonna win. You're gonna win. If someone is causing you, like, if your bosses, etc., or someone at work, if you're a student, some teachers are telling you don't do this, if there is competition too high, you will still achieve success because you are very powerful and destiny is with you. And emotional loss, 5 of cups. Yeah, I do feel, like you are trying to protect yourself. Even in your career, you are trying to be protective of yourself, or your family is very protective, like they don't want you to go somewhere, or like if you are a musician or something, they don't want you to do some risky things like music or any other, it could be anything, they are a little protective of you. You are also a little scared. Should you try, should you take some risk, how it will go, should you apply online, should you meet conflict and defeat. Yeah, I feel some of you are also unhappy that, there is so much competition in work, there is so much competition for a job, there is so much competition in career. But I feel you will recover. You are going to win. So keep your hopes high. Keep your hopes high. You're gonna win. Oh my God, all the cards are coming out for you. We can't take so many, of course. Let's take just a. Oh my God. You have a lot of energy, I think, especially work wise. You're very, very committed to your work. I do see a victory coming your way, a victory which is, very hard earned. You have to work very hard for this success. Maybe you will clear some exams which are very tough, or with the competition was high. Family sorrow, weeping willow. Yeah, family is causing you some problems. May is important for you. Pale, time to get out of a situation. Yes, it is time to leave some situations and move ahead, even though you may feel sad. But maybe it's time to change a job, leave a city or country, leave a relationship. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. Aries, Leo, Sag. Whale, great worry over nothing. Purse, pay attention to your finances. Yeah, money is coming, but still be careful. Family matters. Seahorse. Yeah, August is important, May and August. September is also important for some of you, and marriage. Yes, I do feel that there is a chance you may get a marriage proposal, or the person you are with, they are getting married. So something is happening, some commitment, some choices are there. But it is you are the director of your life, Taurus. So choose well which one, what you want to choose. You can do anything, you can choose anybody, right? So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. This is Mystic TC saying bye bye.